Okay, my name is ITAD and I'm from TFix, and today we would like to introduce one of our ITAD tools and calculators, which is ITAD Disposal Cost Estimator. So what this allows you to do is to estimate what your next IT disposal job will cost, built from our published rates and not guesses. So how it works: we pick up all of your IT in a small van, we process it, we provide you with compliance paperwork, and then we calculate the rebate and offset the costs. Okay, all you need to do is just select what you are disposing. So let's say 50 laptops, 20 desktops, workstations, 5 servers, 15 monitors, 30 phones and tablets, printers, networking, which could be routers and miscellaneous IT, and if you have any of the loose hard drives. Then you just need to select asset condition and average asset age. Once you click calculate, it will give you your estimate. So you will see exactly what's going to happen, what you will receive, what we charge. So let's go through it. So based on the items you have selected, this allows you to calculate how many van loads are there, and this is the list of compliance documentation you will receive. ADR compliant logistics included. That means if we need to transport any dangerous goods, which are the batteries that are included mostly in the laptops. Serialized inventory report means that we will serialize every single asset we pick up, and you will get an itemized report about it. End of waste diversion report. So if we pick up the items that's waste, we need to do end of waste determination, and that means we will let you know what percentage of actual waste you provided was diverted from landfill. Carbon saving environmental report. This allows you to see how much CO2 you diverted from landfill. Waste transfer note, it's just a legal document, meaning that you've transferred your waste over to us. And or hazardous waste consignment note. This replaces waste transfer note in situations where we are transporting batteries or hazardous waste. You will also receive data destruction, which comes as with a certificate of destruction. That's calculated based on how many drives are there in the actual project. Then you can see what we charge. So collection and processing would be £1,250 for this particular project. And then you can see how much value we estimate could be recovered if everything goes well from the items that you provided. And at the bottom, you shall see what you would receive if this situation turns out to be true. All right, you can receive a little environmental impact. This estimates that this could be a total of 476 kilos with CO2 saved as 10,440 kilos, equivalent to 497 trees saved and 30,600 liters of water saved. Yeah, so that's it. If you want ever to grasp an idea how much your ITAD project would cost, our interactive tool will help you do just that.